Are Xiaomi and Google Pixel phones really that different? Well, yes and no. Both brands use Android, but they handle things in their own way. Now, a new rumor suggests that the upcoming Pixel 10 series and an unannounced Xiaomi phone may have something surprising in common: graphics technology. The Pixel 10 will use Google's new Tensor G5 chip, which is a big change from the past. Until now, Google made its Tensor chips with Samsung, but the new one will be made by TSMC instead. This change could make the Pixel 10 run faster, use less power, and stay cooler. One of the most exciting parts of this new chip is its graphics power. Instead of using the usual Mali GPU from Samsung, the Tensor G5 is rumored to include a new GPU from Imagination Technologies called the DXT GPU. This could mean much better graphics, making games look smoother, animations feel faster, and visual effects more impressive. Here's where things get even more interesting. This same GPU might also be used in a new Xiaomi phone. Leaks suggest that the Xiaomi 15S Pro could feature the same Imagination DXT GPU. If this is true, it would mean Xiaomi is moving away from the traditional Meli GPUs it has used before. Why is this important? The rumored Imagination DXT 481536 GPU could bring major improvements. First, it offers better ray tracing, which means more realistic lighting, shadows, and reflections in games. This could make mobile gaming feel more like playing on a high-end console or PC. Second, this DPU could help improve power efficiency, making sure that intense tasks don't drain the battery too fast. Lastly, it could make everyday use smoother, with better animations and faster app switching. For Xiaomi, this could be a big change. The Xiaomi 15S Pro, if real, could be a high-end gaming phone with top-tier graphics. According to reports from China, this phone could launch as early as April. There's even a rumor that Xiaomi might launch it alongside a new high-end tablet, possibly the 14-inch Xiaomi Pad 7 Max, which would make things even more exciting for Xiaomi fans. We don't have any details about the rest of the Xiaomi 15S Pro's specs yet, but if it follows the design of the Xiaomi 15 series, it will likely have a sleek, modern look. Some leaks suggest it might come with Xiaomi's custom Spring processor, which could bring even more performance improvements. The phone might also keep the same camera system as the Xiaomi 15 Pro, which includes Leica-2 lenses for high-quality photography. If these leaks turn out to be true, the fact that both Google and Xiaomi are choosing the same GPU is very interesting. It shows that both companies are focusing on better graphics, improved gaming experiences, and AI-powered features. For now, we have to wait for official announcements to see if any of these rumors are true. But one thing is clear: this year is shaping up to be a big one for smartphone technology. Whether you prefer Pixel phones or Xiaomi devices, these new developments could change the way we experience mobile gaming and performance. What do you think? Are you excited to see how the Pixel 10 and Xiaomi 15S Pro compare? Do you think the new GPU will make a big difference? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech news and leaks.